Recently, I published a couple of videos where I shown using ChatGPT how can you analyze your data and create some of the charts or graphs based on your requirement. And after that, I received some of the comment to publish a video using free tools using which we can achieve same kind of a result. Using ChatGPT 4.0, we can create those graphs or charts, but those doesn't work with the free version. In this video, I'll show you one free option using which you will be able to generate charts or graphs from your CSV data. So if you follow my cursor, here I'm in this particular website, Chat to CSV, and we are going to use this particular website only to generate our charts. Let me show you how can you use it. Currently it's for free. So if you click on sign in, it will directly take you to the page where you will be able to start working with your data. So this is the interface. You can see it's a completely clean interface and only few options are here. This tool only supports CSV file as an input. If you have your data in Excel file, it will not work. You need to convert it to a CSV and then only you will be able to work on it. So I already have one file downloaded from kaggle.com. I'll add the link in the description so that you can also download the file and you can utilize. This particular file contains YouTube data till 2023. And let me show you what I'm talking about. I already have this particular file, and if I just drag this file here, it will get uploaded. Now you can see this particular file processed successfully, and it is showing all the columns available in that particular data set. There are some 27 columns available with the data. Now this is the data set, and here you will be able to write any of the prompt in natural language to get the charts generated. So let me show you the first option. I have copied one prompt and let me try to execute that, and let's see that how it generates the charts here. If I just paste it here, I'm asking for a bar chart comparing subscriber counts of top YouTubers in music category. And if I query, then it started working. It normally shows that it takes 30 seconds to 1 minute time, but you can see it just generated within 5-6 seconds. So this is the bar chart it created. So this is a simple chart. In ChatGPT 4.0 nowadays we can see interactive charts. Those interactive charts are not available here yet, but if you are looking for basic charts and that's also for free, then you can utilize this particular free tool. Now if you click on this download chart, it will download this particular file as an image. Let me click on that and show you. You can see this particular image has been downloaded. If I double click on it, it will open in a different window, and then you can see this is the image it generated. You can easily get rid of this particular text here, and you will be able to utilize this particular graphs anywhere you wish to. Now we generated the bar chart. Now let me ask another different type of a chart. Let me ask for a line chart. If I paste another prompt here, line chart showing video views over time for different YouTubers. And if I click on query again it will show you this banner and it will start creating the particular chart. So you can see now it generated the line chart as per our requirement. Now let me also ask few more details to see that what are the other type of charts it can generate. Now I'm asking for a pie chart representing the distribution of YouTubers categories. And if I click on query again, it will again start generating. Yes, now you can see it generated the pie chart also with all those legends and colors, and if you click anywhere it will show you those figures and numbers in each category. Now another thing I observed here, if you click on any of the legend, then your pie chart will change and that particular data set will not be visible. Let me click on this music and you will be able to see it changed that particular graph. Music is not visible. And on top of that, if I click on movies also will go. And let me click on this green one, entertainment. Now you can see the chart got changed. I will show you two more different type of charts it can generate, what I tested as of now. But before that, I'm in process to record one detailed course on ChatGPT, Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot. If you are interested, I have added one link in the description below. Just fill out the form to get a 70% discount once the course will be launched. Now coming back, let's see if it can generate a scatter plot or not. So I will paste another prompt here and let me click on query to see that how it generates a scatter plot. Yes, it generated that one also, and you will be able to download the chart and you will be able to utilize in anywhere you want to. Now what I've just done, I have used the same prompt using which I generated the scatter plot, but this time it generated with a different color. So whenever you are looking for certain details and it is not visible, you can re-query and you will be able to see different type of options. This time I have reprompted using the same prompt, and this particular chart got generated in red color. Earlier it was in greenish blue type of a color, but this time it's in red. Now let me show you another option. Currently we are in chart tab. If you go to prompts, it will show you some of the options using which you will be able to generate different type of charts. It's showing you all those options here. So this is the way you will be able to generate charts for free using this particular tool. Chat to CSV is also going to launch another paid plan. I can see those details are available in the site, but as long as it's free, start using it and get benefit out of it. Now, if you want to improve your charts, then check out this video. There I have shown another advanced tool using which you will be able to analyze your data and you will be able to generate complex chart using this particular tool. Check out this video to know more about it.